Back me up. Target destroyed.
Where?
Target dangerous area. They have sector Delta. Allies initiating attack at Charlie 1.
Miners have had a rough time today, so we're gonna cook up a storm to help if Tulio ever gets back here.
Alright, I had to tweak some stuff for this game. I know it should have been doing more than 100 and some frames, but I don't really think this game is really optimized. Well, I guess you just got to do your research and just tweak stuff. Oh Lord,
With the fuzz in the ears,
you got to tweak some stuff, because if you don't,
help create our galaxy's next food dish of
what's this right here?
century. Don't essays who told me.
Enter the wasp.
Just make your way up to Crystal Ridge, and we shall get
Outta here.
started.
Chef Tulio, I presume? She sounds unhurt. I
Oh,
wonder what has been
Lord.
keeping her from returning to the miners.
I'm supposed to get over there though. They're gonna try to take me out.
There. Pretty sure we can reach Crystal Ridge through this cavern.
Hold on. There we go. There we go.
I see the culinary life calls to you too. There should be quarry jumpers nearby that can help you get up here.
Oh, my bad. Shooting at him.
I am Chef Tulio, and like all
My bad.
artists, I can
Shoot
only
it to everybody.
create beauty when I'm
Yeah, I'm doing well over 200
suffering.
frames. That's what I'm talking about.
To make my greatest dish yet,
You got to tweak your graphics cards when you get it, yo, with different games and stuff. So
with this vacuum suck.
I'm sorry for the low.
Doing so
It's a trial and error thing. You have to learn how to do it.
to defend me from those allergic to
This should look pretty good. I'm gonna post this on my
wish to be a part of
I could stream it this too. Looks like.
Start the extraction.
Yeah, I should be able to stream it this.
That hammer
I'm gonna try that out too. Right now I'm just recording some
So, what's
gameplay.
the
Defend,
dish?
vacuum
There's
suck.
been a lack of suffering lately,
Okay.
so I do not know yet, but it will come soon. I can feel it. button on that side to activate my trap.